The portable Sauna Zen Sweat ZS-200 offers a convenient and quick setup, allowing you to enjoy a personal sauna experience within 5 minutes without the need for complex assembly. This home sauna provides significant health benefits, such as detoxifying and rejuvenating your skin, boosting your immune system, and potentially improving insomnia. Its portable and flexible design makes it easy to store, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of a sauna without taking up permanent space in your home. The sauna's durable construction and upgraded anti-leak design offer peace of mind by preventing rips and leaks, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable experience. Safety is enhanced with a new automatic shutoff feature, which prevents damage and combines relaxation with security in one seamless package. With 9 adjustable levels and a remote control, this sauna allows for a personalized and comfortable steam experience tailored to your preferences.